is Chicago Fest. We're viewing one of the most exciting exhibits here. I'm Herb Vormberg, and with me is Jim Bede, the designer of Litestar. Jim, how did an internationally renowned aircraft designer get into the automobile business?
Well, Herb, it was the work we did in developing aircraft for long range and high performance that we found the same basic equations would apply to an automobile. And with the energy crisis, we realized that a new type of concept had to be developed, and using the aeronautical formulas, we were able to develop this type of vehicle.
Jim, give us some basic performance figures.
Well, this vehicle, for example, at 55 miles an hour on a highway will get in excess of 100 miles per gallon. Yet on a test track at 100 miles an hour, we even get 73 miles per gallon. So it is not only a very efficient vehicle, but it's a very high performance vehicle. Good acceleration, good high speed performance. The overall operation of it is like a real expensive sports car.
Well, Jim, that's what I really want to know. Is it a car? Is it a motorcycle? Really, what is it?
Well, the vehicle itself gets licensed as a motorcycle because it technically becomes a three-wheel vehicle, but it truly operates and drives like an automobile. It handles very, very much like a sports car in the maneuverability, the acceleration, the overall performance.
Safety. Everybody is concerned about safety. How safe is your Litestar?
Well, of course, that's a very important thing, and I think in all the engineering designs where we have to compromise certain features, safety was the one thing we did not do. And the fact that the vehicle is a lightweight vehicle, it has, of course, a lot of energy-absorbing structure on it, and we use the aerospace technology in this again. So even though it is light, it is not a small vehicle. It has a lot of energy-absorbing materials to it. We obviously will exceed all the safety requirements of a motorcycle, but we think we can exceed most of those of an automobile, too.
Jim, you can look around at all these people here that are looking at your car, your design, in 50 words or less. Why should anybody buy one?
Well, because this is going to be the car of the future. It's here now. It is an energy-conscious vehicle. It will give extremely good performance. It will give the safety. It's exactly what all automobiles are going to look like in the next 10, 15, 20 years.
Thank you, Jim.
Thank you.
What about sales and distribution? David Schwartz is successful in the wholesale commodities business. David, as a multi-state distributor for Litestar, tell us about your experience here at the Chicago Fest.
The experience that we've had at Chicago Fest has just been so phenomenal. It's beyond comprehension. For the 6 days that we've been here, we've had over 30,000 people signing up wanting to buy one. We've had 1,000 people, a minimum of 1,000 people, ready to buy one today. The success of the Bede Litestar will be equivalent. It's like the Pac-Man of the automotive industry. I've just never seen anything like this before.
Thank you, David. Now let's see what some of the crowd here at Chicago Fest thinks of the Bede Litestar.
Yeah, I think it looks like something from Star Wars. Yeah, really. This is really wild.
You can't say that. It's fantastic. It's like going for a ride in a rocket.
How about you, sir?
I think it's out of sight. It's an exciting new concept in automobile design. Welcome.
Yep.
I'd love to be the first in my neighborhood to own one.
I love it. It's beautiful.
Anybody else?
It's really neat.
It's nice, but you couldn't take it to the drive-in.
That's the Litestar story from Chicago.